So open up above the VWAP, sold off, and there was no volume. But then the minute number two, the volume came in. As soon as it touched the VWAP, heavy buying came up. I went long at 115, sold all the way up to 919, and that turned out to be a really, really nice one and only trade that I did. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. I am doing the recap from southern part of South America. I'm in Ushuaia in Patagonia. It's one of the very few glass places, above the Arctic Circle. I'm gonna do a race tomorrow, which I'm gonna be miserable on that. But we do our best. It's a race against your mind. So markets kind of gapped up with nothing. Very choppy today as well. So gapped up a little bit, sold off a little bit, went up a little bit. So right now, as we were speaking, is SPY is up 0.6%, IWM almost flat, and Q is almost flat. So it's really choppy after a huge day. Market doesn't know what's happening. Situation in Russia and Ukraine is also expanding. So Russia is moving near Kiev. Probably capital might fall in the next couple of days, who knows? But according to, I read something that intelligence community says that, Kiev might fall in the next few days. So what we did today was a Square or Block. Block is a company that the CEO is, who's the guy that has the Twitter? Jack Dorsey. So he stepped down from Jack Dorsey, yeah. So he stepped down from that, and stock was really, really on a big downtrend from the high of almost $300. It was trading at $90. So yesterday they had this earning, they popped up, and I did a really nice 1 minute opening range breakdown. And so as you see here on my chart, it was a very beautiful. So open up above the VWAP, sold off, and there was no volume. But then the minute number two, the volume came in. As soon as it touched the VWAP, heavy buying came up. I went long at 115, sold all the way up to 919, and that turned out to be a really, really nice one and only trade that I did. So, and then after that, really sold off, and you really got nothing. So sold off. Now it's slowly coming back, but I'm not really trading it anymore. That's my trade. Brian, how was your trade?
Yeah, I just had one trade on short on Foot Locker, and it worked out okay. Just got a little bit of a pop at the open there before it started to sell off. So it came through the 9, hit the 20, and then just started to sell off. So took it short.
Yeah, so Foot Locker was crazy. Yeah. Sorry, I was going to say that this 2693, 2681 level I marked, they actually sold off all the way to that. If you go back on the daily chart, back in summer 2020, between May to July, there was a really nice level down there. There was a channel, so it actually really bounced back from here very, very nicely. So I'm actually very impressed how it held these levels.
Yeah, I actually thought it would hold the high, which was somewhere around the 28th, I think the 28 28 level or 30. I guess it was 30 level. I kind of thought it would hold the 30 level.
30 level, yeah.
But yeah, I thought it might bounce, and I was going to cover it. I covered it, and then I was going to re-short it on the bounce, but it never bounced. So I'd left a lot of money on the table, unfortunately, on that one. So anyway, still a profitable trade. So
so that was a really nice short from 31 all the way up to 27. So Foot Locker, LPSN was active at the open. I know a lot of people traded 1 minute opening range break off, 5 minute opening range break off, and so that was really nice. Beyond, I think, was sold off really nicely. Again, I didn't trade that. The market is interesting. Obviously the regime has changed. We are really in a bear market for IWM and QQQ. SPY is ripping. So nobody really knows what's going to happen. But that bounce was amazing. That definitely a shorter squeeze, but that rally can continue, at least go up to 460 level. Brian, what's your prediction of the market? I know it's Friday.
Well, I think we're probably going to finish a little red on the day, but it just does. It seems like we were green at the open, we went red, now we're green again. I think we're trying to just. It's going to be a sort of a typical Friday. We're just going to chop around and into the close. Possibly we might sell off into the close, but it's going to be hard to say. It's kind of a lot of the bad news about the Ukrainian situation is already priced in, so into the market.
Awesome.
So I
So
don't know
yeah,
what else can happen. Yeah.
I think we pretty much nailed it then. Thank you so much, and
Yeah.
yeah, looking forward to trading on Monday. So yeah, so Friday, um, I'm gonna stay in South America another week, and hopefully see you all soon Monday morning. Oh, actually Monday I definitely won't be trading because I'm gonna climb on Monday, and Monday and Tuesday, but I'll be back trading on the rest of the week. So Monday and Tuesday I'm gonna climb in El Chatan, part of Patagonia. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, and all the best.
Thank